So I play a character called Kabir Kapoor, and Kabir is it's a very interesting character because, firstly, when you see Kabir, he's going through turmoil in his life. He's somebody who's at the, you know, publicly very, very successful. He's a very successful writer. But in his own personal life, he's going through complete turmoil and mayhem.
तेरा नाम क्या है?
सर कबीर
कपूर. यूट्यूब.
राइट सर राइट
उठ जाओ अब. हाँ?
ना तो सोच कैसे क्या और कब
You got it.
He has a line in the film which I think describes him best. He says that हम सब के अंदर दो इंसान होते हैं, एक शरीफ जिसे हम दुनिया को दिखाते हैं और दूसरा बदमाश जिसे हम दुनिया से छुपाते हैं, क्योंकि हमें डर लगता है कि वो जो सोचता है और जो महसूस करता है वो शायद दुनिया को पसंद ना आए.
हम सब के अंदर ना दो शख्स रहते हैं. एक शरीफ जिसे हम दुनिया से मिलाते हैं, जो सबसे अच्छी अच्छी बातें करता है. अगर किसी ने भला बुरा बोल भी दिया तो वो मुस्कुरा कर उसे नज़रअंदाज कर देता है. और दूसरा शख्स है बदमाश.
So I think that really for me describes Kabir. He's somebody on the outside who is successful, somebody on the outside who's very well liked, but at the same time he's got demons. He's got dark demons inside, and I think those demons come out in his writing, but also come out in his life, as you will discover in the film. So for me, that was very interesting to play. He's a character that has a social persona which is successful, likable, but at the same time has a very, very dark side to it. So the movie has some incredible music. But if I had to choose one, it would be a song called Jaane De, which is a song where जाने दे दर्द को थोड़ा सा मुस्कुराने दे. It's about letting go of your pain and letting go of what you've been through in life and not holding on to it.
जाने दे, ये भी जाने दे, दर्द को थोड़ा सा मुस्कुराने दे. जाने दे, ये भी जाने दे.
And I remember we went to the studio to hear it, and he played it on the acoustic guitar. And as soon as we heard the song, he was playing it for us to ask us whether we like it or not. As soon as he played it, we were like, please give us this song because it's such an amazing song.
जाने दे, ये भी जाने दे, दर्द को थोड़ा सा मुस्कुराने दे. जाने दे, ये भी जाने दे.
And so I think Jaane De is my favorite. The other is also, it's very difficult to choose, but the other song, which is a remix of an old song, which is Tu Mane Ya Na Mane, is beautifully incorporated in the film and beautifully sung and rendered. That is another song which is beautiful. It's a song between me and Amira, which is a love song. It's a song where he's been through, Kabir Kapoor has been through so many challenges, and all through these challenges, this girl has helped him and stood by him, and it's almost like he's thanking her for being this support, and thanking her for bringing him out of this rut that he's been in, and bringing laughter and smiles into his life again. So that's a song which is beautiful. It's
तेरे नैना ऐसे काफिर, क्या छुपाऊं तुझसे आखिर. तेरे नैना ऐसे काफिर, क्या छुपाऊं तुझसे आखिर.
The other song is Koi Jaane Na, which is which was choreographed by Caesar, and it was a lot of fun to shoot. We had a lot. In fact, we started the shooting with that song. It's a song where Kabir is actually showing Amira's character that wants to experience adventure, and she's in his town, and he's making her experience all the adventure in that town. So we went paragliding, we went rappelling, we went rafting, we were on speedboats, we were on water scooters, we had a jeep on which we were going off-roading. So it was, I love adventure, and this was the perfect way to start the film. We started with this song which is all about adventure. Really catchy song, great song, and it was shot beautifully as well, because it was, we had a chance to try out all these things that I had not had a chance to try out in a long time.
Eye down le, eye down le, eye down le, center le, right कर center eye down चलना. Nice, Ram. Yes, you have done it.
Ishq Karo is a beautiful song. It's about the first time that Kabir Kapoor meets Amira's character. My character meets Amira's character, and the character is going through a very, very hard time when this song happens. But he suddenly meets somebody that is completely free-spirited.
क्या परवाह नहीं है, हम साथ है तो हर लम्हा हंसी है, जितना भी जीना है इस पल में जीना है, छोड़ो ना कुछ कल पे, इश्क करो दिल से, ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से, इश्क करो दिल से, ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से.
I love the way Amira has performed in that song. She completely just let herself go, and she just was having such a good time that it was infectious, And I think the only challenge of that song was shooting on the ghats. We were shooting on the ghats, and when you're shooting in a jeep, it's fully rigged up, and there's a camera here, there's a camera here. So the jeep becomes twice the size it normally is.
GoPro on किया है? नहीं है बाबा, wait.
चलो ऑफ कर दो तब तक.
And at the same time, you really, your vision is blurred because there's another camera in front of you. So we had 3 cameras that was surrounding the jeep, and at the same time, you got to drive the jeep and pretend like it's all casual and you're completely fine. And, this is what you do normally. So that was challenging because we were on the ghats. But it's a great song. It's a song about just letting go and being free-spirited. And I think the brief that Amin had given the music directors was that, I want a song that sort of plays on the radio. It's a song that is your travel song. We all have a list of songs that are travel songs.
Thank you.
पाया क्या खोया क्या परवाह नहीं है, हम साथ है तो हर लम्हा हंसी है.
Harfan Maula is incredible because it's a chance to see Amir dance after such a long time. I don't think he's danced in a really long time. And he really practiced, really got into it like he does with everything.
कितनी हसीनों पे कितनी दफा ये डोला, फिर भी फकीरों का पहने हुए है चोला, उधर की शीशी है जहाँ भी खुल जाए, हवा में घुल जाए, दिल जोगीदार फन मौला.
And it was just absolutely amazing. It's a great song. It's such a pleasure to see Amir dancing again. Ellie's obviously fantastic. She's always been a fantastic dancer, and she's great in this song.
हादसों के इस शहर में आज कोई आएगा.
It's actually a song that sort of opens the film. The film sort of begins with this song. It comes 5 minutes into the film, and it really sort of lends. It sort of creates a sense of mystery about what's going to happen next.
कब, क्यों और कहाँ कोई जाने ना.
You know, it's a dance song. It's a song which is a lot of fun, but it also has a sense of mystery to it. And there were a lot of songs that were created for this particular scene. And I don't think Amin was completely happy till he found this song, because this song, like I said, is a dance song. It's fun, but it also has a sense of mystery, which is what the film is about. Well, Myra is as a person and as an actress is incredibly spontaneous. She's someone that as a co-actor, you don't know what she's going to do next. She's completely unpredictable and spontaneous, which is a great quality to have. So she can be somebody that's laughing and making a lot of noise right before the scene, and as soon as the scene starts, she's just right there. And I found that absolutely amazing about her.
It's around 30 feet.
Yeah. No, it's just looking from there to there. It looks.
No.
Scary.
The first lead is going to be.
Yeah.
And I think that that is who she is in her life as well. She's spontaneous, she's unpredictable, and that's the quality that she brings on screen. And I remember we were doing a screen test to find the actress for the film, and I was doing the screen test with a lot of different actresses. And as soon as we finished Amira's screen test, Amin came up to me and he said, "I think I found the girl that I want." I said, "Why is it that you feel like she's the girl that you want?" And he said that because she was doing something that nobody else was. Everybody was playing the scene like I expected them to play, but she came and did something completely different. The way she said her lines, while saying her lines, she was just doing things which were very unpredictable. And he said, "That's the quality I want in my lead actress, which is Suhana."
धोखेबाज! तुमने मुझे धोखा दिया है. मैं जानती हूँ कि तुम ही जरान खान हो. मैंने तुम्हें चंदू का मर्डर करते हुए देखा है.
And I think as soon as he saw that screen test, he was certain that Amira is going to play Suhana in the film.
Hey, that's my book. Hi, my God.
Are you stalking me? मतलब full time writer, part time stalker तो नहीं हो ना तुम?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं 16 साल से ये मसाला ऑमलेट को स्टॉक कर रहा हूँ.
Really?
हाँ.
यार dedication की कमाल.
Like I'm constantly talking about how Amin has managed to create a world which is a combination of reality and magic, which really is what the film is also about. It's like I said, it's reality sort of meets Pulp Fiction in a comic book.
क्या लिखा है? मर्डर्स. ये खूनी है कि इसका कोई पास्ट है क्या? जेल का पास्ट?
There's a bit of reality, there's a bit of magic, and what I found really magical about the sets was that it was very different from anything that I had expected. I expected a set to look like a set.
चला प्रवाह पावितस्थले गले वनम